Hello, I'm Brent Wilsey. My name is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management, and welcome to today's Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, today we're talking about how does Brexit affect you? Now, you may not understand or even realize what Brexit is. Well, let's talk about the Britain leaving the EU, the European Union. And what's happening is that next Thursday they vote, the citizens actually vote to stay or leave the EU. Now, I want to point out that if the vote is yes, there's no change till about 2018. So it doesn't mean on Thursday they vote and then the next day they leave. It's still about another 2 years before this really takes effect.
And I think it could be even longer. I mean, it's 2 years till it takes effect, but I mean, they're not just going to leave. Right. They're going to have a nice plan in place. They're going to work things out with the EU. It's going to be crazy, but you know, it's not going to be short term all of a sudden.
The panic's going to be worse than the reality, I think.
Exactly. And actually, recently the U.S. invested about $588 billion in Great Britain, and that was back in 2014. So we always say, understand what you invest in. So you got to know these British companies that you invested in. And also, as we kind of talked about, there will be short-term market overreaction if they do leave.
Right.
And I think it'll be great, present a lot of great buying opportunities, but you'll be smart and say, hey, it's not going to affect us until at least 2018, so we'll be all right.
You took the words right out of my mouth there. That's exactly true. Is look for these opportunities. A lot of good companies are starting to come down. This could make it to where, wow, these become a buy. So, alrighty. Let's talk about the company today, which actually is Biogen. We see the current price $238. The 52-week high is $420. The low $236, and a little bit beyond the 52-week, they were over about $440 a share. So, great movement here. Peaked up, now down to about $238 a share.
Yeah.
Listen to the numbers.
Yeah, no, back in 2011, this was actually a company I put in my stock portfolio when I was in high school. And, you know, way back here is about $67 a share. So probably wouldn't have sold it at about $432. I'm not that good. Probably would have been somewhere over here is when we would have gotten out of it.
But it was still based on the fundamentals. A good buy here, not a good buy up here.
Exactly.
So, let's take a look at the numbers now, see how it looks now. The reason the stock fell was a clinical failure. Instead of the stock falling, it was on multiple sclerosis. It didn't do well. It didn't cut the mustard, didn't pass the grade, so put a lot of money into it, and it didn't work out. However, the company still has sales up 8% year over year and earnings up 17.5%. So while they missed the big hit, they're still fundamentally looking okay.
And the balance sheet, it is incredible. As you can see right here, their current ratio is 2.59. And I actually took a look at their cash and short-term investments as a percentage of their current liabilities, and that percentage was 129%.
Wow.
So that means this company is extremely liquid, extremely flexible moving forward, can maybe make some new acquisitions to improve that multiple sclerosis drug that they missed out on. As you can see, the debt to equity only 63.3%. So again, a very strong number. Now looking forward to December 2017, estimated earnings per share on a GAAP basis, $19.08. This gives us a target sell price of $314.82, which is about 30% away from its target, or its current price, I should say.
And it's about 30% away. That's when we like the company, because that gives us that margin of error. We feel comfortable buying it from that price. So let me ask you, if you're happy with the return on your investments right now, let me also ask you, when's the last time you had a financial professional review your investments to see how they're doing and what they are doing? Well, we've been managing money successfully for over 30 years. We'd love to have you come talk to us here at Wilsey Asset Management.
If you want to give us a call, the phone number here is 858-546-4306. And if you missed any previous Smart Investing Daily Briefings, go to our website, smartinvesting2000.com.